What did you get? What you got, Press? You got another damn squirrel? A birdie? No, my precious. What you got? He gonna fly away when you put him down? He gonna fly? What you get, my Press? Is it a rodent? No, it's a birdie. He's so proud. That's a good Precious. You want to bring him inside? You want to bring him inside the house, my precious love? We can't bring him inside. Yeah, go somewhere with him. That's the hunter Press. Yeah, what you got there? Did you get it? Did you kill the poor little thing? Oh. Oh no. He killed it. Don't eat it.